kadalasan kapag filler din kasi siya sa rice is also a source of energy. Kaso nga lang, ayan, as you mentioned din earlier, naglalakihan kapag sobrang dami. Ayan, so doon talaga papasok yung problema. Pero pag halimbawa naman po, 1 cup is enough sa kanila, that would be much better. Yun pong sa rice intake, it could be reduced. Kaso nga lang, mas best if dadamihan po muna yung ulam. Yun yung trick doon So, you have gulay, you have rice, and you have ulam. And the trick there is paunti-unting bawasan ang rice. Kahit hindi po biglaan. Kahit halimbawa, 1 kutsara, 2 kutsara kada linggo yung babawasan until masanay ka na half rice yung consumption. Tapos, babawiin po natin sa gulay and babawiin natin sa ulam. So that would be the trick when it comes to reducing less rice. And more than that, adding more nutritional value to our health by simply consuming more vegetables and also more protein.